Maju ke hadapan, siapkan penghalang satu tujuan, kibarkan janji Islam dalam satu barisan, bersama berjuang kita junjung keadilan yang semua bangsa muda maju ke hadapan.
Hello friends, so welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Jakarta and now it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. My plan is to go to Jakarta Central because on every Sunday there is a very good and unique activity like they close the main Tharamin Square and Jakarta Central for every type of public transport or cars or motorcycles. So we will have a very good experience to see there all the high-rise buildings and their development. And when we will reach in their main Jakarta Central point, so there are a lot of other activities also. We can eat their traditional food. So let's see how is the activity. It's also my first time to go there. I listen a lot, like it's very good and very unique because this type of activities are not possible in other cities. So let's see. So how is the experience? So let's start our video. We will start our rides from Senayan, then passing different roads like Jalan, Tharamin Square, and our final destination will be Monas. Now we came to the Jakarta Central. Every Sunday from morning 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. This road is closed for public transport, and from MH Thanamim to Monas, this is open for public and we can have a morning walk. Today there is an Palestine cause rally is going on and people are doing march until Monas, which is a very famous point. I got late and now I'm doing work for more than 1 hour and still I'm very quite far away from the main Tharamin Square. So some people are going back and still we can see that there is lot of public on the main Tharamin Square.
Sampai akhirnya mereka menyatakan perang. Kita maju ke hadapan, siapkan penghalang satu tujuan, kibarkan janji Islam dalam satu barisan, bersama berjuang kita junjung keadilan yang semua bangsa muda maju ke hadapan, siapkan penghalang satu tujuan, kibarkan janji Islam dalam satu barisan, bersama berjuang kita junjung keadilan, jangan terima batu. Tetap melaju, hapuslah yang sembunyi di hatimu. Segera ke depan bagaikan nomor satu, dan tirani untuk negara utara. Jagoan menjadi muda dalam satu tiga kaki.
Now we are going to taste local Indonesian food from one of their famous restaurant known as Bakso. You will find Bakso Restaurant in every famous shopping mall, but I have chosen the restaurant which is very near to Hotel Mulia. So let's see how is the interior and how is the food. अभी हम लंच करने आए हैं। ये इनका एक काफ़ी फेमस फूड चेन है जिसको कहा जाता है बाक्सो, और यहाँ से मैंने 3-4 मरतबा खाया। ये मेरे बिल्कुल होटल के करीब है और इनका टेस्ट काफ़ी अच्छा है। तो अभी बाक्सो ट्राई करते हैं और आपको यहाँ का मेन्यू दिखाते हैं। ज़्यादातर यहाँ पर राइस खाई जाती है, जिस तरह ये डिफरेंट किस्म की राइस है। मैंने ऑर्डर किया नासी गोरेंग सापी लताम। तो इसमें ये होता है कि राइस होगी और उसके ऊपर बीफ की सॉस होगी। उसके अलावा डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नूडल्स हैं। काफ़ी ज़्यादा वैरायटी है। तो अब लेट्स सी हमारा खाना कैसे आता है। जहाँ तक रेस्टोरेंट की बात करें तो बहुत ज़बरदस्त रेस्टोरेंट बना हुआ है, और जिस तरह इनका ट्रेडिशनल स्टाइल होता है, वुडन स्ट्रक्चर है सब। ओके, सो हमारा खाना आ गया। तो अब इसमें इस तरह होता है कि ये बीफ होगा कुछ, और नीचे फ्राइड राइस होती है, और साथ में अगर आप अचार खाना चाहें तो वो ऑप्शन भी अवेलेबल होती है। तो अभी मैं इसमें जल्दी से फिनिश करता हूँ और फिर हम जाते हैं नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन पे। और कीमत मैं इसकी बताता चलूँ, ये तकरीबन $3 का यहाँ पे खाना मिल रहा है, और यूजुअली इंडोनेशिया में $3 $4 इतने का आपको, या $5 का एक नॉर्मल रेस्टोरेंट से आपको खाना मिलेगा। Now we are going to Central Park Mall, which is about 20 kilometers away from Senayan. And Central Park Mall is considered as one of the best shopping mall in Jakarta right now. So finally, we reached Central Park Mall. So this is the center point. So from where we can go on all the sides. Like if we go straight, we will go for the outside area where there are many activities are going all the time. And on the ground floor, there are usually makeup shops. On the first floor, usually like garments and shoes like that. And then on the first floor and second floor, first floor is purely for electronics, and second floor is for kids. So let's go to the first floor. I have to buy some shirts. Let's see what is the variety here. Shirts. Let's see what is the variety here. I think the red one looks better. Okay. So I buy one dress. It cost me. I buy the red one. So it cost me like $23. Not so much expensive. Looks good. ये एक छोटा सा जार है.
Tara? Wait lang.
अभी ये कुछ फ्रीज आइटम है और वो डॉग को चेक कराया जा रहा है. उसको पसंद होगा तो फिर ये और ख़रीदेंगे. ये तो बहुत ही बड़ा है और एक बारी तो मैं डर गया. ओह, 5-6 हैं.
Saudaraku hilang. Oh. Ngapain kamu?
This shopping mall is very famous because of this bridge. This bridge connects two shopping malls. One is this, and the second one is right in front of us. And here, there are all the restaurants, all the famous brands. These are the restaurants. And if you want to buy some fabric or shoes or makeup, you have to come in this section. And that section is of purely for food and restaurants. So now we are on the very famous bridge of central Jakarta. So when we will reach in the middle, they have made a very beautiful open area. So usually people sit there for like 1 hour, 2 hours, have some drinks, and then they go back to home. So from that skywalk, we can have a very good view of the city. I hope you like the video. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.